Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and I am in Goa. Goa is one place which has something for everyone. So if you are in Goa and you are looking for a place to completely relax, you would be surprised to know that Goa has an island which is habitable and a lot of Goan residents live here. This place also has a very fine luxury resort called the Mercure Devaya. I am going to stay in this resort and I'm going to show you around. To come here, you need to come on a ferry like this one. You cannot travel to this place solely by road. Check out the ferry. There are 4 ferry terminals from where you can board the ferry to reach the Diwar Island. So depending on where you are boarding from, you can inquire around and find a route that takes you from ferry to the island. So I boarded the ferry from the old Goa jetty, which is close to Panjim. This is the most popular route and the ferries come in every 10 to 15 minutes. So you reach the area, you wait for the ferry to come, and once the ferry arrives, first you let the vehicles that are already on the ferry to come out and then you board it. The cars, scooters, two-wheelers, all sorts of vehicles can get onto this ferry. This ferry is run by the government and it's very reasonably priced. I think we paid about 10 to 15 rupees for taking our cars inside. And if you are a local, I think you don't have to pay anything at all because the locals use this ferry as part of their daily transport. Once you reach the Diwar Island, you see landscapes like this. You see water, you see these backwaters, you see the greenery all around. And then once the town actually starts, you are literally transported into some old world Portugal town because all the buildings have this old world charm and everything is so unique and so antique that you literally feel like you're in some fairy tale. So we've just checked into the Mercure Devaya and we are going to go check out our room. I'm going to stay here for the next 2 days and you get to watch everything that this particular resort on this particular island has to offer. So watch this video right till the end. The Mercure Devaya resort is huge and it has such a large area that you need to move around in golf carts. Well, not always. You could always choose to walk around and enjoy the lush green surroundings. But we checked in and our luggage was transported to our room using this lovely golf cart. And just look at those manicured gardens and that lush greenery. It's just out of this world. So just like the entire resort, the rooms also follow the traditional Portugal style and everything is done up in a very heritage sort of Portugal sort of way. The rooms are very nice, comfortable and extremely good to stay in. So my room also had an attached garden and lawn, and besides that garden, I mean that lawn literally opened up into the backwaters of the Mandovi River. At this fabulous property, they have a kitchen garden where they grow their own veggies and salads and stuff. And they also have their own coconut trees all over the resort. And these coconuts are actually used daily at the restaurant for cooking. And now I'm going to go eat all of this fresh produce in the restaurant. I'm going for the breakfast now. This place has a massive buffet, so whether you like Indian, continental or South Indian or whatever it is that you please, you name it and they have it. If you're watching this video guys, there is a high likelihood that you're aware that Goa has a very famous street with colorful houses in it. I tried visiting that street, but honestly I couldn't get a picture because it was so crowded. However, when I landed at this place, the Mercure Devaya resort, I realized that I actually didn't need to go that street. Because in this resort, all the different huts are painted in different bright colors. So here in this resort, you actually get to experience the traditional Goan architecture and the very bright and gay Goan colors. Each and every little hut here is a masterpiece, and each and every little hut offers you a photo op where you can get your pictures and videos without going to crowded streets. So when you stay at this property, you get the additional benefit of staying next to a river, and you can also actually do fishing here. They will provide you the fishing rods and baits, and you can sit out here for hours catching fish. Island living is this amazing? I think I can get used to the island life. I am getting used to having my lunches, dinners and breakfast at this gorgeous restaurant next to the pool. So come while I go have my lunch. Every single thing about this property is absolutely fantastic. The first thing is, of course, the location. It is on top of an island, so it's practically cut off from the rest of Goa, which means that it's very peaceful. You hardly feel like you're in Goa. You're literally living the island life, and it is besides the river, so you get to experience all the charm of the Mandovi River backwaters while you're here. Number two is also the fact that it is so well maintained. Every part of this resort, this huge resort, is spotlessly clean. And the third and the most important thing for me is the service and the hospitality. Every person on the resort will greet you with a smile, and they serve you with a lot of warmth and hospitality, which is, I think, an absolutely great thing. And I feel like if I get a chance, I would definitely want to return to this place. If you haven't already guessed, then this property is also a great location to have a destination wedding or any sort of destination events and parties. And while we were there was a destination reception going on, and we were able to see the whole decor and the event happening. They also have this play area where you can sit out with your family or with your kids, and you can enjoy a nice relaxed time. So during the day, the resort is obviously all colorful and lively and beautiful, but during the dusk hours, the evening and the night, it magically transforms into a sort of a magical place because it looks so beautiful in the evening lights. It looks so lit up and so lovely. Whenever I'm checking out of a property, I always have a bittersweet feeling. So I am having those exact feelings right now. While I'm feeling very happy and rejuvenated and relaxed, I'm also feeling a little sad because I don't feel like, going out of this property, and I don't feel like going away from this place because this place has everything. It has the entire resort life experience. It has the entire riverside living. It has these beautiful fountains on every turn and corner, and it has absolute lovely greenery, lush green lawns, amazing service, tasty food, everything that you would absolutely enjoy. So, but the trip must go on. So I am now checking out from the Mercure Devaya Resort at the Devar Island. And I would say thank you for watching this video, guys. Keep watching my YouTube channel for more Goa videos. And thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.